following presentation is on the science behind the Batsuit. There are many different combinations of materials that the Batsuit is made from, depending on which film you look at. Today, I'm going to concentrate on the suit made of Kevlar. To make such a suit will cost around $1,058,600. This suit includes materials such as Kevlar, graphite, and carbon fibers. The following video shows a real-life creation of the Batsuit.
As an experienced prop maker but novice industrial design student, I wanted to challenge myself with a new project. My goal was to create a real-world equivalent of Batman's armor, which would protect the wearer from harsh impacts and bladed weapons without slowing them down or limiting mobility. After many prototypes in this successful Kickstarter campaign, the final suit was scratch-built in 2 months from Kevlar, quarter-inch Kydex plating, and impact-resistant foam.
Kevlar is called an aromatic polyamide, which is a type of fibre. The molecules form long chains which can be made into fabrics by being woven. This means you can use its fantastic properties. Kevlar is formed by a condensation reaction of an amine and an acid chloride. This synthesis is shown on the screen. Once the fibres have been woven or spun, the chain then becomes quite rigid. This is due to hydrogen bonds forming between the chains, creating a strong sheet. These sheets then stack on top of one another, forming even more interactions between the facing aromatic groups, increasing the fibre strength even more. The figure on the screen shows this arrangement. Due to Kevlar's structure, it has some fascinating properties. Kevlar can withstand attacks from a wide variety of chemicals. After being exposed to hot water for more than 200 days, Kevlar remains virtually unchanged. Kevlar is strong but surprisingly light. This makes Kevlar ideal for armour. Kevlar is unaffected by very low temperatures up to minus 196 degrees. Kevlar doesn't melt, it only decomposes at 450 degrees. Kevlar can be ignited, but after the heat source is removed, burning should stop. Perfect properties for a superhero to have. Bruce Wayne isn't the only person who has taken advantage of Kevlar's special properties. The military have recognised the material's use for human protection. Since the 1970s, Americans in the armed forces have worn body armour and flak jackets made with Kevlar. Kevlar is lightweight and helps improve mobility for soldiers. Kevlar is flame resistant, which provides soldiers protection from fire. And Kevlar is even 5 times stronger than steel. Kevlar is not only used for body armour, it is very adaptable and can be used in helmets, cars, planes, bomb blankets and fire blankets. When Kevlar is soaked in SDF, it works amazingly well against stabbing and cutting. Figure 6 shows an image of Kevlar being stab tested. In conclusion, Kevlar was not randomly picked to be used as a material in the Batsuit, but was the perfect material for the job. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you have learnt something that you didn't know before.